Hi, I'm Josephine. Today we will look at how to highlight days on data sets using conditional formatting. Like this, we have the days that have been highlighted from 23rd of June to 28th of June on my product table. For instance, if you want to highlight cells based on expiry date, I have a table here with products or foodstuff. Maybe I want to highlight expiry dates for these products, or I want to highlight a delivery date for them to be delivered to someone, or I want to simply highlight tasks on a project or a task that I want to be carried out. Then I want to set a date for that particular task. Then this comes in handy for you. Without wasting much time, let's get right into how we can go about it. Our first case scenario we want to look at is the greater than date. So let's say we want to highlight a days that are greater than a particular date. First of all, select all the days involved, go to the Home tab, then go to Conditional Formatting. Under Highlight Cells Rules, select Greater Than. Then a pop-up will show up on your screen. Then type the date you want to get the greater than date result from. So I want to get my result starting from 23rd of June. I click OK. So you see all the cells that are highlighted are days that are greater than 23rd of June. Now let's look at the second case scenario. Here I want to highlight days that are less than a particular date. So highlight and select all the days range and go to the Home tab again. Click on Conditional Formatting and select under the Highlight Cells rules, select less than. Here you get to set the dates you want the highlighted days to be less than. Let's say 20, let's say 19. Okay. You can also select the color you want to use to color the cells. You can also select on the right side the color you want to use to highlight the particular cells. Here, let me choose green color and click OK. So here we can see as we selected 19, we selected days that are less than 19. These are the 2 days less than 19 and they're highlighted. Let's go to coloring a cell based on a specific date. Here select the date as usual, and on the Home tab go to Conditional Formatting and under the Highlight Cells rules select equal to. Here you set the specific date you want to highlight or color. So I will choose 24th. I choose 24th and I click OK. See here 24th date has been highlighted. Let's go to the fourth case scenario. In this scenario, we are going to select a date range. So select as usual all the dates and go to Conditional Formatting again, and under the Highlight Cells rules, you select between. Here you have a date range that you can choose to highlight. Let's say I want to highlight between 21st of June to, let's say, 27th of June. I can also choose the color that I want the cells to be highlighted with. Let's say I choose yellow, then click OK. See, this is the date range. Another scenario we have is the date occurring. So select the date range on the Home tab, go to the Conditional Formatting menu and the Highlight Cells rules, select a date occurring. Here you get to choose a day or a week or even a month for the range that you want. So here if we click on the drop down menu here, you can get to choose today's date, you can choose tomorrow, you can choose last week, which we don't have on our table, you can choose next week, and if you see starting from the 23rd of June, you can choose next month, choose tomorrow. It will highlight tomorrow's date cell and click OK. And this is how you could change cell color based on date using the conditional formatting. If this tutorial was helpful to you, kindly subscribe and click on the like button below. Also turn on your notification bell so that when we upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you.